What's good, YouTube? It's your boy bringing you a brand new video once again of the Golf. I finally got an actual exhaust, so it's not a muffler delete anymore. I picked up the Borla Valvetronic exhaust. I like the way Borla sounds. I wasn't trying to do AWE. Armatrix was too expensive. Borla was reasonable and it's Valvetronic. So I picked it up from Throttle. We're about to install it. I'm gonna unbox it right now, see everything that comes inside. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Show y'all what just came out the box.
Hey boys, let me tell you what came out the box. Look, listen, straight cash, cashed out. We're about to win the whole giveaway. 2 supers in the family. Oh wait. Hey.
Actually, this would be the first time. Let's show them what you just got.
2021 2.0. It's like not 3.0 Supra. 2.0 baby.
Okay.
Still have the M4. Here's the key.
Dude.
It comes with a BMW key.
So Noah just picked this up recently. He just picked this up recently. Brand new 2021, had 9K miles.
9K, 9 miles, not 9K.
Or it had 9 miles, brand new, straight from the dealership. But back to the Borla. Let me show you guys what just came out the box. So everything looks pretty simple for the most part. Came with the hardware, the clamps, little Borla pamphlet, an adapter, the mid pipe, and then the Borla S-type exhaust. Like I said, this is the Valvetronic, so it should be, when I want to, way quieter than what I have right now, because what I have right now is way too obnoxious. All right, so I got the Golf in here. This is the straight pipe that I'm running right now. If you guys ever go to those exhaust shops locally, don't do it. This is my second time I've done it. I don't know why I did it, but I was just eager to listen to what it would sound like open throttle and pretty much straight back. And I mean, just save your money, get an actual exhaust. They do shitty welds too, but this is pretty much it. It looks fairly simple for the install. It's just pretty much all of those little hangers. There's one right there, one on the other side, and then I believe there's one in the middle, kind of right there. I don't know if you could see it. And then it's just removing the clamp from the downpipe, mid pipe, and the whole exhaust should come off, and then new one should just bolt right up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do this really fast, remove it, and then I'll pick back up when it's out the car. All right, so just remove the muffler delete exhaust from the downpipe or mid pipe, whatever, and you can already tell this is the Borla. This is what I had. I think it's definitely thicker. Might be 3.5 inch. I'm not too sure. I'll put all the stuff in the description, exactly the specs and stuff for the Borla. But this is what I had. This is what's going on. And then that's stock. I'm glad I kept my stock muffler because these are the Valvetronic sensors, and I have to put them on the Borla exhaust. So we're gonna go ahead and just start taking some of the stuff off the stock muffler, putting it on the Borla, get it all prepped and then clamped on, and then yeah, we'll be ready to go ahead and put this bad boy on. All right, so it's the next day. Finished the Borla last night. It was pretty simple. Not too sure where I left off at, but I took off my muffler delete, and let me just show y'all what I just noticed from when I got this done. So this is the muffler delete right here. I've literally had this on my car set up for a month, maybe a month, and just look at what I noticed. There's a hole right in the weld on top, over here, right there. The welds were they're horrible. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I paid 890 for a muffler delete, a resonator delete, and it's horrible. Like, the welds are horrible, the job is horrible, there's holes. Like, I mean, there's nothing I can do about it right now. I honestly don't care, but I'm just a little upset that I paid so much. Like, I paid money that you would get for an actual exhaust to get, you know, quality work like this. And that's just, the Borla is on. These are the wheels. I just put these on. I sold my revolves that were on it. But this is the Borla exhaust. Super good quality. I mean, quad tip, has Borla branding all over the place. Borla S-type on the mufflers. Even on this little bracket right here that connects them both, it says Borla. Sounds super good. I drove it last night, and honestly, from the difference from like a muffler delete and actual exhaust like this, it got rid of a lot of drone inside the cabin, and that's what I'm happy about. In eco, it is a lot quieter, and then when you put it in race, it does get louder. But let me go ahead and start it up. It's in eco right now, and this is what it'll sound like. So that was me doing revs to 2,500 RPMs with the valves closed, and then with the valves open, same thing. I revved it to 2,500 RPM, and hopefully you guys heard it. Hopefully you guys heard the valves open and close. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. I'm pretty happy with the Borla. I ordered it like within the first couple weeks of owning the Golf, and I'm a little upset that I couldn't wait, and I ended up getting a muffler delete, and it ended up being poor quality in the nicest terms, but nonetheless, now I have an actual exhaust. It is the Borla without the resonator, so it's just the straight mid pipe, and it sounds good. It gets rid of a lot of the drone that I was having with the muffler delete. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. The Z is still here. I added a little theme. I'm not sure if you could tell in the background. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.